I was losing a lot of weight. My stomach was not getting any smaller. It was hurting a lot.
It was worse than Michelle thought.
I had tumors in my ovaries.
Even with chemo, radiation, and surgery, for people like Michelle, diagnosed with late-stage ovarian cancer, there's a 50-50 chance they'll survive. But now researchers at Rice University are trying out a new implantable approach.
Have this implant actually be loaded with engineered cells that would secrete a biologic that would activate the immune system.
Bioengineers implanted drug factories the size of a pinhead to deliver continuous high doses of interleukin-2, a natural compound that activates white blood cells to fight cancer.
Where we need the drug is actually right next to the tumor.
Preliminary studies in mice show it's working.
We've shown that in as little as 6 days, we see the cancer completely gone.
It eliminated the tumors in 100% of the animals with ovarian cancer. And when the mice were injected a second time with the cells from the same cancerous tumor, they were now protected against it.
Which suggests that the immune cells that have learned what the cancer looks like, they can now migrate throughout the body, find and destroy the cancer wherever it may be.
Giving survivors like Michelle new hope that they'll beat this deadly disease. I'm Marty Salt reporting.